In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a lurk command on Nightbot. My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. This video is part of an explanation series about Nightbot. If you want to see more videos about Nightbot, check it out in the card above. What we need to do first is go to nightbot.tv. Click on login. Log in with your Twitch. If you're new to Nightbot, it will say join channel in the top right. Click on that. If you're not new to Nightbot and you've used it before, it will say part channel right there. Do not click on that. Then we go to the left side, click on command and then custom. We add a command and we call it !lurk. The message needs to be something in the line of have a nice lurk. So have a nice lurk. If you want to be cheeky, you can do a kappa behind it and it will display a kappa emote. But we can also just keep have a nice lurk. Then user level everybody because we want everybody to be able to use that command. And then the cooldown, we can set at whatever. What this means is that people can't spam this command. So if we set this on 10 seconds, every 10 seconds somebody is allowed to use this command and it will work. If people use it quicker than that, it will not give the response. Set this on whatever you think is good for your channel. Usually you want a little bit of a cooldown so people can't spam it. If they think the bot hadn't reacted yet or something like that, they don't spam it a second time. Then we have alias, we want to keep that empty. This means that if we put in something like !follow age, that it's gonna actually display the follow age message and not the message we have sent here. So just keep this empty. And then click on submit. Now we go to our own channel. This is my Dutch channel, by the way. And what we do is /mod Nightbot. I can't type. We have already modded him, so we don't have to worry about that. But if you haven't yet, do it. And then type !lurk. Have a nice lurk. You don't have to put the kappa in there. I just found out that the dots I put in front and after the kappa, you just need to write kappa, not with the dots. I don't know why I thought that needed to be happening, but you don't. Like you see, there's two bots reacting right now. We usually use Stream Elements bot, that's why it's reacting as well. But we set up the Nightbot, have a nice lurk here. This is the command we just set up. If you want to learn more about Nightbot, come with me to the playlist and explore more about Nightbot right here.